down.
Hold on. Can't turn on the stereo. My eyes are itchy. Do you know where my headphones are?
Is it going? Okay.
My eyes
I can't do it again now.
My eyes are
Okay.
itchy.
She was like, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday, and then Sunday. What do you want this weekend? She sounds like a squirrel having a seizure. Laz dyslexia or something. Or no, what do you call it when they do the strobe light and they're like,
Seizures.
no, they have dyslexia because they see bright things.
Epileptic.
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 Epileptic. Epileptic.
You gotta Facebook this.
Okay.
Right now.
Done then?
No.
You're using my headband.
Keep going.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
I'm
Don't
done.
use my headband.
Sunday. So she sounds like something. Should have left my phone at home. Well, ready?
That's our
Drop my
thing.
pen.
Wow. That is our thing. You can't come in on it.
Well.
No, I don't care. You can.
Where's my phone?
Oh, and then she's all like, you should go water. Come here. Okay, I'll show you. It's hilarious.